On this episode of Small Biz 518, we're here at Faddegon's Nursery in Latham, New York. Hey Bob, thanks for having us here. Can you tell us a little bit about your business and how it got started?
We've actually been here 101 years. We're in our fourth generation of Faddegons, and our founder was actually a Dutchman. Years ago, Faddegon was spelled with a V. It was a Vatican. And he was a nurseryman from Holland, got caught here before World War I, couldn't get back, and established a business here, propagating plants. He was a plantsman, he was a nurseryman. He was passionate about this business, and it has carried on through the generations. We are probably one of the 5 oldest businesses in the town of Colony. It is more than a store. It is for many people a refuge, a stress relief. It's the place they go when they need to decompress. Gardening in general, particularly with what we see with COVID, the increase in interest in gardening, the increase in edibles, in native plants, in organics, is just very thrilling to us.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the products and services that you have here?
We have 2 divisions. We have what's called a landscape design build firm, where we do mostly residential designs and installations, hardscape and plantscape, both. And then we also have the retail garden center, which is where we are now. We have greenhouses, we have trees and shrubs, we have annuals, we have perennials, and all the accessories that go along, the fertilizers and other things that go along with that. One of the main things we offer, I think, to people is knowledge and helpfulness. The staff is just phenomenal, wonderful people. They are, one of our mottos is plant, grow, thrive. That planting and growing things enhances your life.
Has Faddegon's always been here, or did you move? Can you tell us about where you are?
My wife is a Faddegon, and her grandfather started this business in 1920 right here. The original building is just about where we're standing, and he propagated blue spruces for a living. He grew evergreens. Back then, this was the middle of nowhere. And I speak to marketing classes sometimes, and one of the things I ask people is, we show them a map of the Capital District and say, if you were going to put a horticultural retail business, where would you put it? It's right here. Yeah. We're right in the middle. I think a lot of people are looking for that sort of local family inspiration. People have been extremely supportive of us. I have customers coming in now who are the grandchildren of customers that I had 40 years ago. The community has always supported us.
That's it for this episode of Small Biz 518. For more information, visit faddegons.com.